Hello! Today, we are going to describe this picture of a happy family birthday party. In this picture, I can see a family celebrating a birthday. There are 4 people, a man, 2 boys, and a girl. They are sitting around a wooden table. In the middle of the table, there is a big birthday cake. The cake has 2 colors, blue on top and yellow on the bottom. There are 6 colorful candles on the cake. There are also many gifts on the floor. The gifts are red, yellow, and blue. On the left, there is a man with a beard. He is wearing a blue sweater and a yellow party hat. He is clapping his hands and smiling. Next to him, there is a small boy with curly hair. He is wearing a purple striped shirt and a blue party hat. He is looking at the cake. In the middle, there is another boy. He is wearing a yellow vest and a red party hat. He looks very excited. On the right, there is a girl. She is wearing a red sweater and a blue headband. She is clapping and she looks very happy. The room is very colorful. There are many balloons, one red, one blue, one purple, and a yellow star balloon. On the wall, there is a banner with happy suns. There is also colorful confetti in the air. It is a very happy day. The family is having a great time at the party.